had the misconception that Tesla's electric vehicles, EVs, were generally more expensive than any other conventional or hybrid vehicle. However, the new tax credit of up to $7,500 for new EVs and Tesla's recent price cuts have made these cars even cheaper and more accessible. Suppose there is a way for Tesla to actually produce an electric car that will cost them even less than the Model 3. Do you think the automaker will use an open door like that? Hello folks, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. There have been a few reports of Tesla thinking about a 2500 conservative vehicle, and keep in mind that these reports haven't been completely validated. Chiefs of the vehicle organization as well as its president, Elon Musk, have all recognized the requirement for a less expensive model. The vehicle organization has said that it will plan and deliver the impending model in China for worldwide utilization, and is now enrolling individuals for this as per Tesla's stock examination. Circle Ventures Tesla will unveil its forthcoming Model 2 in 2024, and despite the fact that there's no authority Model 2 on Tesla's rundown of future vehicles, the EV creator has referenced on a few occasions that a more modest, less expensive model coming would resemble a less expensive vehicle for Tesla. More subtleties in this video, yet before we get into it. In the event that you like this kind of happy, remember to hit that like button and buy in for more Tesla content, and that way you'll push cutting edge on everything along with the universe of Tesla after Musk declared a chance of a new and less expensive vehicle model. Many individuals can't quit discussing this impending Tesla vehicle, as many accept that for the automaker to genuinely advance its central goal for electric vehicles, it ostensibly needs to create more reasonable EVs. Even Tesla President Elon Musk has made this understood anyway, while it seemed like the automaker was entirely considering putting up about this vehicle model. For sale to the public soon, those plans appear to change rather rapidly after all the energy months. In a new tweet, Musk affirmed that there will be another Tesla that will be sent off later in 2023 for $25,000, and many accept that this could be the Tesla Model 2 at Battery Day in 2020. Musk declared that Tesla will produce a convincing $25,000 vehicle that will be completely independent. It's now been revealed that Tesla's China officials are going up the improvement of this new section-level model, albeit with fresh model will either be a smaller vehicle or a sub-minimal vehicle, a famous plan in Europe and Asia. Tesla China is supposedly dealing with fostering the model as well, and the Chinese media has distributed reports expressing that the Model 2 advancement has previously begun. What's more, the hypothesis has been proactively brought up in 2022 for a provisional model to deliver this year. So how might a less expensive EV affect Tesla? Continue to watch to find out, and assuming you kept awake until this point in the video, remember to leave a like and buy into the feed. The new Tesla model would probably be founded on another age stage that diminishes the expense of making an EV to half of what it costs to construct a Model 3. Elon Musk said in October that Tesla is looking forward to making a cutting-edge stage that will cost half of what the flow models for your model cost. The fervor around this new stage will be the reason for the eagerly awaited $25,000 Tesla must guarantee that creation volumes will enormously outperform the Model 3 and Model Y, and will go a long way past any remaining Tesla vehicle fabricating amounts set up. He likewise added that it will bridle the maximum capacity creation in declarations like Gigapress, which projects huge suspension segments into one piece as far as reach. The Model 2 might actually have under 50 kilowatt long periods of battery limit on the EPA scale. The battery in the electric vehicle has an expected scope of roughly 250 miles for each charge. Reports have guaranteed that Tesla is chipping away at another battery innovation. A flintlock recently expressed that open battery innovation is fundamental for the improvement of electric vehicles. The new battery will get rid of the standard tab style and will be estimated at as low as 100 kilowatt-hours per kilowatt-hour. It's likewise expected to increment energy yield by multiple times and increment reach by around 16, while lessening creation costs by around 50% while it stays muddled. Whether Tesla World News this new battery innovation for the impending Model 2, there's a decent opportunity it will work out. And with this new EV, Tesla will be ready to rival the Volkswagen ID.3 and the following Sunleaf due to the battery size and reach anyway. While there are various variables that show that this new electric vehicle could be nearer than expected, it's quite significant that the model by Tesla as modest as this may not be feasible given that the Model 3 should be Tesla's 35,000 EV. It's far from impossible that the Model 2 won't ever really be accessible for as low as $25,000. despite the fact that Musk has defined a few objectives for the new electric vehicle model that Tesla could zero in on during the improvement of the Model 2. The Tesla president appears to have passed over the thought some other time when he zeroed in on the forthcoming Cybertruck Day for kickoff and Tesla's robot, which it intends to use to construct vehicles in the future in 2022. Elon Musk affirmed that Tesla is done chipping away at its recently declared $25,000 vehicle in light of the fact that the vehicle organization had a lot to handle during Tesla's Q4 2021 profit call. Musk was given some information about the situation with this $25,000 vehicle. Tesla and the chief answered that we're presently not chipping away at the 25,000 vehicle, but sooner or later we will, yet we have sufficient on our plate right now for us to handle honestly. Musk affirmed that work on the new model has stopped, adding that a 25,000 model doesn't make any difference, so much assuming that the organization accomplishes self-driving cars. Elon Musk expressed that at the point in which the vehicle becomes independent, the expense of transportation drops by a component of 4 or 5, although ongoing reports propose that Tesla China may currently be fostering this reasonable Tesla model with the objective of putting it up for sale to the public at some point this year. Tesla, as of now, is by all accounts having a ton of momentum, continuing right now with this semi-creation sloping up, and it's centered around a 4680 battery creation, as well as the Cybertruck SSD, a revived Model 3, and presently potentially a less expensive model, so the vehicle organization might have enough happening for a long time ahead, as per Circle Adventures. Tesla will hold on until 2024 to report the Model 2. The organization expressed that on the off chance that Tesla declares the lower-cost vehicle too soon, they risk easing back deals on the Model 3 while sloping the limit during what is probably going to be a more extensive auto downturn. While there's as yet a 25,000 sticker price attached to most reports about Tesla's more modest, less expensive future vehicle, it's difficult to tell what the beginning cost is truly going to be in mid to late 2025. It is practically 100% sure that the Tesla digital truck won't come to market at the cost shed during its disclosure a long time ago anyway. The objective would be for Tesla to undermine or match convincing opponents, as well as guarantee that the impending less expensive model will be qualified for a full tax reduction, while organizations like Toyota Passage and GM have proactively sent off or intended to send off all electric vehicles to rival Tesla's models. The vast majority of these vehicle organizations have been reluctant to embrace EV creation in view of the great creation costs that this new EV could simply be another piece of competition to manage, paying little mind to how much this new vehicle sells for. It can possibly be Tesla's top-rated model, and it could put the remainder of the EV business on note by test-driving different automakers to foster correspondingly estimated cars that entice a bigger populace than the latest EVs. How about Tesla producing an electric vehicle that sells for as little as $25,000? Let us in on it down below, and remember to let us know your valuation of Tesla. To know more about what Tesla's been doing throughout the course of recent days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.